Meaning of emanation.
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 Emanation. Emanation refers to the act of something or someone emitting or radiating outwards. It is often used in a spiritual or philosophical context to describe the idea of a divine or spiritual force spreading outwards from a source. This can be seen as a form of energy or aura that extends beyond the physical body. The result of emanation is a subtle energy or radiation that can have a profound impact on those who encounter it, whether it is felt physically or experienced on a deeper level of consciousness.